Alright, so quick random bit about, like, if this is usually easier to model if you have your stuff sort of centered on roughly 0, 0, 0. So I just wanted to do a quick video about how to do that. So what you can do, a really easy way to do stuff, I'm just going to select these and delete history on the objects. That'll get rid of a lot of stuff in the outliner that I didn't really need. So I'm going to go ahead and just Control G to group all these. Do a modify center pivot. And then I'm going to use vertex snapping, or sorry, grid snapping, and just hold down X. I'm going to drag this onto 0, 0, 0. Now in this case, it seems like the model was also modeled on a slight angle. And, you know, you'll see like this, which theoretically should be the center of the model, isn't quite centered on this, like 0 on the z-axis, or the, no, 0 on the x-axis, sorry. So what I'm going to do is press and hold down D, and then V, and I'm just going to vert snap to the center. I'm going to vert snap the pivot of this group here to the center of this object, and then hold down X again and snap that onto the origin. Then from there, I should be able to kind of rotate this more or less back into place. But the reason that you might want to do this, and then also probably freeze transformation, because I'm never going to want to move this really off this area. But what this makes it really easy to do, like if I needed to you know, reshape this handle or something like that, I'll just do like a really crappy, ooh, hello. I'll just do like a really crappy soft select thing. I did say really crappy, this is not a good reshaping. Alright, so if this is our new handle design that we for some reason liked, what you can do, because this is centered on the origin, is Control D to duplicate this. I'm just gonna, I'm using Shift P to just unparent it from this group for a second. I'm gonna put this in another group. And then you'll notice the group's pivot is directly on the origin, and that's going to allow me to scale that -1 on the X, freeze transformations, and now we have a perfectly mirrored set of pliers. So it's a really convenient way to do stuff, and why you might want to have stuff centered on the origin, which is also how I recommend if you're setting up like orthographic images or something like that, make sure that they're as centered as you can when you first start modeling. Sometimes what I'll do is just sort of grab like if I'm modeling something kind of rectangular or something like that, or like in this case a cylinder, like you could just sort of pop in a cylinder in the rough shape, you know, set this to 0, 0, 0, and then just, you know, tweak your orthographics so that they sort of are in line with this original thing and kind of build from there.